Cambly learners. My name's Kelly and I'm a tutor on Cambly Kids. Today I wanted to talk to you all about countable nouns. What are countable nouns? Well, they're nouns that can be counted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. But what's a noun? Well, a noun. Nouns are people, boys, girls, mums, dads. They're places like shops, countries, cities, schools. They're things like cars, bikes, trees, apples. And they're also animals like dogs, cats, and insects like spiders. These are all nouns, and they can all be counted. Now, nouns can be both singular and plural. Now, what is singular and plural? Singular. Singular means one. There is one. He's all on his own. For instance, one apple. There's no more apples. There's only one. He's singular. So, we can say there is one apple. We can also change this to include a or an to replace the number one in a sentence. But first, we have to think. A, an. When do we use them? It's quite easy, really. We use an if it's one of our vowels. So, if it's A, E, I, O, or U, this is a vowel. So if a word like apple, elephant, igloo, umbrella, orange, start with a vowel, we use an. So this is an apple. We can also have plurals. Now, plurals is more than one. It's when it's got friends. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. 5. So, there are 5 apples. We use there are in this sentence because there's more than one. So there are 5 apples. Let's look at some more examples. Let's look at cars. How many cars do I have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cars. So this is plural. There's more than one. So we're going to use there are. So there are 6 cars. Good job. Let's do one more example. Let's use an animal. These are nouns. Let's use a spider. See how many spiders we have. So count with me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, this is plural. So there are 4 spiders. Ooh! Well done, guys. You've done a good job today. Good job. So let's review. So countable nouns. They're nouns, places, schools, countries, shops. They're things, apple, pen, cars. They're people, mums, dads, boys, girls. And they're animals, horses, dogs, cats, that we can all physically count. So this is what a countable noun is. So, for those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly Kids, Cambly gives you instant access to amazing English speakers who are kiddie-friendly, just like me. So, ask your parent to schedule your next lesson. You can use the link below. And I hope to see you in one of my classes very soon. Thanks for watching today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye!